Hey guys, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. If your Asus laptop powers on but shows a black screen, don't panic. There is a common issue that you can often fix yourself. Let's go step by step to bring your screen back. So shut down your laptop completely. That is step 1. Unplug the charger and remove external devices. Hold the power button for 30 seconds to drain excess power, then restart. The simple reset often clears display glitches. Now, connect your laptop to an external monitor using HDMI or VGA. If the external screen works, your laptop's display may be the problem, not the system itself. So sometimes the screen is active but too dim or on the wrong output. Try pressing Fn plus F8 to switch display modes. Also, tap the brightness keys to ensure that the screen isn't set too low. Now, a loose RAM stick can cause boot issues. Power off your laptop, open the back panel, carefully remove and reinsert the RAM sticks, then restart to see if the screen comes back. Now, boot into BIOS by pressing F2 repeatedly at a startup. And if you see the BIOS screen, reset settings to default, save and exit. Sometimes incorrect BIOS configurations can trigger display failures. So, in conclusion, if your Asus laptop turns on but shows a black screen, try a hard reset, test with external display, check brightness and RAM and reset BIOS. And if none of these work, you may need a professional repair for display or motherboard issues. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.